What is going on, guys, and welcome to Slade TV. We back, and today I've been waiting for this Funko soda unboxing. As you can see in the thumbnail, we definitely got a handful of Funko sodas to open, and I'll start by saying I have never had Funko sodas, even though I've been collecting for years. Never got into them. Maybe didn't even really know what they were. Thought they were literal sodas for a while, and I was kind of just not paying attention to the game for a bit. Got back into it. I had a friend tell me like he's been going crazy over Funko sodas. He has all of them. Shout out to him. But I didn't know that there's like a chase in every single one and how each one was numbered. So immediately the dopamine in my brain is being released because I'm like, yo, collector's items. And as a result, we have all these Funko sodas to open. I'm gonna flip the camera over soon because it'll be easier to unbox them. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 sodas to unbox. And these things aren't cheap. They're pretty expensive, especially because I think retail's gone up since I missed the initial wave of being into Funko sodas. So some of them start at like 15 basically. And they're always limited. So, you know, see, this one is 1 out of 15,000. You get the chase, so I think that'll be like 1 out of 2,600 or something of that sort. Some of the ones I'm more excited for. I decided to buy Funko sodas that actually mean something to me because when I started buying Pops, it was also the stuff that meant something to me. It eventually turned into a little bit more where I needed to complete sets and etc. But for now, I'm starting Funko sodas the same way. Just something that means stuff that means something to me. So I'll give you an example. You can you'll be able to pick my brain a little when you see which sodas I have. So like I have Neo from the Matrix. This one is 1 of 10,000, which is really cool. Secret Squirrel. That's like just grew up on that, and I thought it was pretty cool because I don't even think there's a Secret Squirrel pop unless I'm mistaken. But 1 of 8,000. And we got like Master Chief, etc. Like, so I got Spider-Man, Iron Man, Batgirl. I don't think they've made a Batman yet. But anyway, let's get to the unboxing. Gonna have to figure out a place to put these, but for now, okay, let's get started. Superman, 1 of 15,000. Funko soda. Okay, so it comes in this little black baggie on the inside. And this is where, and okay, so we have the regular one, 1 out of 2,500. So it comes in another plastic bag, and we have our Superman Funko soda. These would actually fit in my PC pretty nicely. Let's move on. Batgirl, 1 of 15K. And all right, found the easy way. So this one was, yep, 15 bucks. All right, and open. And all right, regular Batgirl. This is the figure. Quality wise, these are okay. I guess all the packaging and stuff added makes them pretty cool. I feel special, honestly, even if you don't get a chase. All right, let's go. Spider-Man time. I think this one I like the common better, but probably a chase. Okay. Let's have a look. And regular. And this one's actually really nice. All right. Deadpool, 1 of 15K. Open. Oh, I didn't even check if it's 1 of 1250. No chase. Isn't gonna matter. And this one's also very nice on its own. A lot of these are very cool, especially like you see the way it's like getting laid out. So maybe the way I've lined it up, the Neo is a chase. We'll find out. Third angle and regular, 1 of 18,700. Not terrible. This one's pretty nice just on its own. Statistics are on our side. And this one probably means a lot more to me. The Neo soda. This is definitely a banger. Oh, it opened up so easily. And normal. So maybe getting Chase's one of 8,400. And got it out. Relatively easily. And I believe if it's a Chase, it'll be black. So just a normal Master Chief. Got this one for pretty low. They restocked him recently. All right, opened up pretty easily. And oh, we got they gave me two of the piece. I don't know why. So we have a Chase Master Chief, and the Master Chief Chase is black. So that's pretty awesome. So I guess statistically, open 6, the 7th one was a Chase. This is pretty awesome. Especially because I'm just buying one of each. So I'm not really playing the Chase game like that. I'm kind of just, like I said, collecting. I'm hyped that they gave me 2 of these for the Chase. So if I ever decide to sell it, I can just keep one as a keepsake or whatever it is they say. If we get lucky. Struggle to it, damn. And what we got here? No Chase on the Naruto. One's a different color. But yeah, this is pretty cool. He's got his 6-path mode for his regular pop, which is definitely a little interesting. Only 2 left, so let's see. Come on, let us get 2 Chases today. No All Might Chase. 1 out of 1670. I think that's like the one made the most so far. This one in Iron Man. Master Chief, I actually picked out myself in the store. The vibes. If you could see my face just struggling. And regular. This one's pretty cool too. The other one just has Ein as well. So that's like definitely a Chase I would have wanted. Be quick about it. It took a lot of effort to open up. But thank you for watching. We got a Master Chief Chase. That's pretty epic. Like, subscribe, and comment below. And let me know if you want to see me open more sodas. And thank you.